Hello ITT, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome to today's live stream. So today we are going to be trading a London session live and direct with you guys. And I just took Euro JPY trade this morning, right? I took a buy. I'm going to buy now on Euro JPY. So let's see what we got uh, this morning for London session, right? Okay, guys. Um, let's see what we got. Hold on. Trying to put something here. Um, just hold on, guys. I'm trying to get something ready before I continue, right? So just hold on. So I do this. All right. Yeah. How is trading so far, guys? Hope you guys are eating and just trade with a very good risk management, guys. Yeah. Just trade with a very good risk management. So now you can see I just took a buy on Euro JPY. If you are in our free Telegram channel or VIP or premium student channel, right? I sent a buy signal for this Euro JPY. So I took my trade around this area. Right now, Euro JPY is trying to um push back down again for a retracement, right? But no panicking, no panicking. Let's just wait for what Euro JPY will have for us, guys. And of course, I'm still in this trade, so I don't know about you, but I'm still in this trade. So yeah, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family so that them too they can come and eat live and direct with us. If they do trade forex market, right? So just hold on. Trying to check this. Yep. So Euro JPY. Yeah, I'm still in a buy on Euro JPY, guys. So I'm down like 3 pips. So it is what it is. So now let me try and explain why exactly I bought this Euro JPY. So, but before that, let me share the link to free students so that they can come and join us as well, right? In a free Telegram channel. That's what I meant. Sorry for that. Okay, I just shared it now, so they will come and join us live and direct so that we can trade this and be profitable as well. All right, I just sent the links. They will come and join us right away. So yeah, let me just try and explain to you guys why exactly I bought Euro JPY. So you guys can see that Euro JPY has been moving to the downside recently. So now I drew this trend line and the trend line got broken retest. So the market is actually retesting my trend line right now. So now the market retested this trend line. Now I'm expecting the market to continue to go back up to the upside for 150 pips move, right? So it's gonna be 150 pips move. So um we are risking 50 pips to get 150 pips. So that's about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, right? So that's my final take profit right on this trade. And basically I only risk about 1 to 3% of my account size, so at maximum of 3%. And monthly I go for 10 to 20% growth on my account, right? If I can get 20 to 10 to 20% growth, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I don't know what your expected return on your trade and stuff like that, or on your account, right? So that's just me. Dexter Trade is saying Euro USD, please. All right, I'll check Euro USD as well for you. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you like what we're doing right here so far. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, right? So you can see Euro JPY. So let me show you the trade I'm having on my $1,000 account. So I have $1,000 account. I started this trading on the account on 1st of July, guys. So on 1st of July is when I started trading on this account. So I'll try and show you some of the trade that I'm in right now, and what are the what are the trade I'm in, what are the return, am I negative, am I positive on the trade and stuff like that. So let me try and show you the account too. Any trade that we are going to be taking today, guys, I'll be showing you live and direct on my account as well, how to do a very good risk management and stuff like that. So that's how we do trade, guys. And let me migrate to the account so that you guys can see what I'm doing on that very account as well, right? Because it is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. But I don't know if you guys will be okay if I share it with you, stuff like that. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to set something. Okay, seems not possible. All right, seems not possible, guys. Sorry for that. Yeah, seems not possible right there, so no need to show that. I'll remove this. Yeah, all right, so let's just forget about that, guys. So yeah, Euro JPY right now is pushing back in profit. So you guys see that? That's why I say, do a very good risk management, man. Do a very good risk management. So now we are how many pips in profit on this? I will try and show you guys. But first of all, let me set take profit, stop loss, and stuff like that, so that I can send it to you guys, right? Very, very important, so that you'll not be trading blindly. Last month or a couple of months ago, I did the same thing. I removed all of my stop loss and stuff like that. But it is not a good practice, guys. It is not a good practice. So always put your stop loss, take profit, and stuff like that. Yeah, Dexter Trade is saying that gold as well. So yeah, sorry to say that I only take one single pair from individual, right? So if another person will say gold, I might just check it out. But if you are the same person giving me different pairs, I might not analyze them. I only take one single pair from each individual that is watching this live stream, right? So that's how I usually do it. So sorry to say that anyway, but that's how I do it personally. So yeah, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys, if you've not done that yet. So let me set stop loss, take profit, and stuff like that on this Euro JPY trade, so that we all can have our stop loss, take profit right here on this trade, right? And also I'll try and explain to you guys why I took this trade, and what I saw in the market and stuff like that. So this was where I got in. You can see that's my entry points on this. Let me just amend this to the upside. So you see this is my entry point on Euro JPY. And then the next thing that I'm supposed to do is I will set first take profit, stop loss, and second take profit, and also the final take profit, right? So first take profit is going to be around that price or within that area, right? So let me set it out for you so that you can understand what we are doing, right? um I'm gonna check things out, guys. I'm trying to set the first take profit, second take profit, and stop loss. So that's what I'm doing right now. um I'm setting it, so just be patient, guys, while I say this stop loss and take profit here. Then I'll update you live and direct on the YouTube as well. So is Euro JPY buy. So my entry price is 130.857. That's my entry point, and stop loss is 50 pips, right? My stop loss is around 50 pips, so 130.355. That's my stop loss. Then the first take profit goes with around price 131.153. That's my first take profit, which is for 30 pips. Then the second take profit actually goes for 50 pips, so it's around price okay, the market will have to break out of this level before our second take profit will be triggered. So 131.353, that's the second take profit. Then the final take profit, which is for 150 pips, is 132.356. That's the final take profit, which stands for 150 pips, right? So yeah, that's everything for Euro JPY, guys. So I'm sending it to all of our groups, free Telegram channel and stuff like that. So now let me share it so that you all can have it. Very, very important. And also, if today is the first time here and you are not in our free Telegram channel, I urge you to go and join us right there. It is very, very important, guys. Very, very important for you to join us in our free Telegram channel, because at times I'm not live on YouTube, so that's where I usually update you guys about whatsoever that I'm doing in this forex market, right? So make sure you join us in the free Telegram channel. I will send the link right now in the live chat section so that you can understand what you are what I am doing, not what you are doing, right? So yeah, and also if today is your first time right here on ITT or Israel the Trader YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family, and also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. So let's continue, guys, as I trade this Euro JPY. So yeah, basically this is just my opinion, and that this is I'm just in a buy on Euro JPY, right? So is it MT5 or stuff like that? I want to go so that I have MT5. This, let me just search this. I want to go to web version of it so that you can understand or see. Okay, is my QL something like that? It was like that, but I don't know now. No, that's not how it is. Made a trader 5. I think I'm supposed to have it in here. I got rid of it. Sorry, guys, just wait for me. Yeah, trying to check here so that you can see the trade I'm in. Okay, my QL5. Okay, so I forgot that is my QL5. You can see Israel the trader. That's my account right there. IC market. No, this is not the account that I want to log in. Which one is this though? Show that account is this. Sorry guys, I'm kind of IC market. Yeah, okay. This is the account. Sorry for that. This is the account. So yeah, you can see these are the trade that I'm in right now. So I don't hide things, guys. You know, I don't hide things. Everything you are going to be seeing it, whatever that is happening right now, right? So this is the MetaTrader 5 right now, and like I said, guys, that I only take, I mean, I only risk 1 to 3% of my account per each trade that I'm trading, right? So you can see that this account is $1,000 here. Where's the balance? Okay, you can see down here. Let me try to zoom it so that you all can see what I'm talking about, right? So you can see the balance right here. I think you guys can see it now. It is $1,088, but I started this account with 1,000 on the 1st of July 2021, which was this year, right? So now you can see I've grown this account 8% last week. So, and of course, I'm still growing the account, right? So now you can see that on Euro JPY, I got in with 0.01, 0.01, 0.01 lot sizes because I'm just risking 1.5% of this account on that Euro JPY trade. And same thing goes on USD JPY. You can see take profit, stop loss, and everything is set up on USD JPY as well. So you know, that's how we do it, guys. So risk only 1 to 3% of your account size on each trade that you are getting in, right? So very, very important, you know. But all of us have different ways of trading, but you know, that's how I personally trade. And this is what I'm telling you guys how to do it, because that's how I do it as well, right? So you can see Euro JPY right now is trying to fly back up to the upside. So let's just continue to hold this trade so that you know, you can eat while I trade live and direct with you, right? Very, very important, guys. So yeah, you guys can see that it's flying to the upside, man. All right, so that's very, very important. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, bro. Hope you guys are taking this trade, you know. Hope you guys are taking this trade. Very, very important. No, it's very important to me anyway. I don't know if it's very important to you. You know, you might set up a trade that is more than this, but as for me, very, very important for me, right? So that's just how it is, guys. And so I'm just trying to give you a stop loss take profit on this very trade now, so that you will not say, hey Israel, you just trade and you don't give me stop loss take profit and stuff like that, right? So all of my trade have stop loss and take profit, guys. Don't judge me for that. Yeah. It is what it is, man. All right, so I'm just trying to set the stop loss take profit so that you all can have it right here as well. So this is the stop loss and take profit, guys, live and direct. So you know, hope you all can see what I'm doing, right? Can you guys see it? Let me know down in the live chat section so that I'll be able to identify and know that, yeah, you guys are listening to what I'm saying, right? So yeah, just an update for you guys. This is for this is 1 hour time frame. So we are on 1 hour time frame right now, not 5 minutes, not 15 minutes, not 30 minutes. This is 1 hour time frame, right? So before each of these candles to be finished, to be closed, you know, it have to finish the whole cycle of 1 hour. So it has to finish the whole cycle of 1 hour, guys, before each of these candle is going to be formed. So that's how it is. So right now you can see this is the web terminal of this account. You can see that Euro JPY is about 9 pips now in profit. You can see I'm down on USD JPY with 11 pips down in negative, right? But overall I'm still losing around 0.92 dollars on this account, which is sent, so it is what it is. Let's just see what exactly is going to happen, guys. So I resetted the account now, so that I can visualize what exactly is happening on this account, so let me go down to Euro JPY and USD JPY, so that you can understand what I'm doing and stuff like that. So you can see that first take profit, second take profit, and stuff like that. This is where I sold it, so it is what it is. And of course it will still be in profit. You can see my stop loss right here, so let's just wait for that. And also let me go and check what you guys are saying now in the chat section, so that I can just analyze some of the fears that you guys are telling me to do, right? Very, very important. So yeah, somebody is saying that Euro USD plays. All right, let me go down and check Euro USD. And also guys, if today is your first time here, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on our social media platforms or social media handles. Let me go and copy the link to my social media handles, so that you guys can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, and all of them. So let me send it to you guys, right? Very, very important. Let me send it to you guys. All right, so it will start from Instagram. It's very good for us to be connected on social media handles, guys. Very, very good, huh? So I'm trying to send them now, so that we can all have it. Yep. Yeah, I just sent all of them. You will see my Facebook, Twitter, everything. I'm going to pin it right now. So I just pinned it, so you can follow us on all of our social media handles, guys. Just go down to live chat section of this video. You will be able to see our social media handles, so you follow us on all of them. So yeah, as you do so, thank you very much. So let's go down and check Euro USD, right? Euro USD, that's the pair that one of our viewer has requested for. So let's check Euro USD, so you see what is happening on Euro USD right now. This is it. Let me go down to daily time frame. So this is Euro USD daily time frame right now. You can see that the market has been moving sideways, which is a ranging market, right? This is a ranging market. So now what am I supposed to do? Let me just plot my support and resistance, which is going to serve as my what is to call it now, major support or resistance. Yeah, that's how we call it. So I'll just put these two. Let me go down to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame, but you guys can see that the market still needs to come down to touch this level before it's going to go back up to the upside, right? But no need for you to wait for that move to happen completely. So since this is 4-hour time frame now, I will say put my support and resistance on this very time frame, right? So I'll change the color to be pink, because that's how I usually do it on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, I think I'm good to go with this within this zone, which is 4-hour time frame, right? So now what am I supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do is that I'm supposed to look out for a trend line, right? Let me look out for my trend line somewhere here, somehow this way. This is the trend line on this very pair being Euro USD, right? So you can see that I have my trend line now on this 4-hour time frame right here, and also I'm still supposed to put my resistance level right there. Let me put it. I'm seeing another resistance here. So you see that? Now what are you seeing, guys? I'm seeing that Euro USD is going to buy. Definitely is going to buy. The target is going to be around price 1.21079. That's where the target is going to be, guys. All right, so now what am I supposed to do? Let me bring out my long position, since I conclude that okay, I'm going to look out for a buy on this Euro USD right now, so what I'm supposed to do now is that I will just go down and bring out my long position, so that I will be able to know what exactly is my risk to reward ratio and stuff like that. It is very, very important. So far, you can calculate it, right? Very, very important, guys. So let me put the long position now, so that you can know how to do this thing. So this is my long position, and I say that this is going to be the final take profit around this area. Let's leave it at 240 pips. So with this 240 pips, you'll be risking around 80 pips, so this is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, this is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio as well, like Euro JPY trade, right? Like Euro JPY trade. So let me check Euro JPY once more again, so that we can know what is happening on Euro JPY. Euro JPY, yeah, I think it's still going anyway. Let me check my account complete. Okay, yeah, it's still moving in profit, but it's trying to come down for a retracement at the moment. But it's all good, guys. That's how the market moves. You don't expect the market to continue to move like straightforward directly without coming down for retracement forever, right? That's not gonna happen so far you trade Forex. So right now this is Euro USD, and my bias on Euro USD is a buy. So not interested in selling this right now. So this is going to be the final target, which is around price 1.21079. Because of, you see what is happening, the market is giving us a move to the upside right now. But before you regard it as a valid move to the upside, it has to break out of this level. You see, let me put this as yellow. So it has to break out of this yellow line before I will regard this as the market is going to continue to go back up to the upside strongly, right? But right now, let's try and see what is going to happen. You can see that this 4-hour candle is going to close in about 1 hour and 21 minutes, right? So let's see what this candle is going to give us when it closes, right? Very, very important, guys. But right now, what I'm going to do is that I will go down to 1 hour time frame, right? So if I should like break down what exactly is happening here, guys, you can see that it come up for this, then came down for lower high move. Now it's trying to go back up for another higher move to the upside, right? So now that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. So that's just it. If you have any question, or if you have any place that you don't understand about this Euro USD analysis and stuff like that, you can just say, hey Israel, I don't understand this and I don't understand that, right? So that I can put you through on what do I mean by the things I put, right? Very, very important, guys. So now also you can see that the market is making this lower high, higher low. So now I'm expecting the market to continue to go back up for another high move, guys, on Euro USD. So that's what I'm saying on Euro USD. Like I said, no need to take a trade right now on it, except it breaks out of this yellow line. But if the market come back down again to this zone and give us another double bottom formation, and also retest on this trend line that we plotted on the 4-hour time frame, the market is going to continue to go back up to the upside, right? So this is another zone again that we have to keep our eye on. That's another zone. So let's see what exactly Euro USD is going to give us when this 1 hour candle close. It's going to close in about 19 minutes, right? So let's see what is going to happen if the market did not continue to go back up to the upside. So it will come down and retest this previous support level to come down here, then boom, push back up to the upside again. So this is very, very important for you to monitor your market or monitor your trade, and so that you can understand exactly what you are expecting to happen on each pair you are trading in the forex market, right? So let's try and see how this candle is going to close, guys, before we decide to what to do on this euro USD trade, right? And also don't forget to not over trade on your account. Over trading is what actually kills some traders. Not that they are not profitable, they are profitable, but over trading keep them losing in the market, right? So once you reach your goal, no need for you to keep on trading or keep on chasing the market, guys. So no need for you to do that. So yeah, that's what I'm saying on euro USD. Let's try and see and wait what exactly is going to happen on euro USD, guys. So I would go down and check your comments and what you guys are saying, and in case if you have any question regarding this, so that I can just check it out for you guys, right? Very, very important. All right, guys. So let me go and check it out for you. Oh yeah, okay. You guys are saying what is this XXSS? That's what I'm saying, right? So yeah, he's saying that we should check GBP JPY for him. All right. So I will check GBP Japan. Like I said, guys, if today is the first time here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends and family, and so that they can come and join us live and direct on YouTube and trade with us as well, right? Very, very important. All right, guys. So let me go down and check GBP JPY. GBP JPY now, so that we can know what we are expecting on GBP JPY as well. Very, very important, right? So this is GBP JPY 1 hour time frame right now. Let me go down to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. Oh yeah, the first thing I'm seeing on this daily time frame is a trend line that is telling me that yeah, the market is moving to the downside, but it's about to go back up to the upside right now. But let me just put my support and resistance. Very, very important. That's how I usually do my analysis. I'll start by putting my support and resistance and things like that, right? So now let me put my trend line. This is daily time frame, guys. This is daily time frame, so that you can know what we are doing right here. So there's another support level right there as well. You can see that. So now let me put my trend line so that it will not be confusing us whenever time we are trying to trade this, right? So that's another trend line that I'm seeing on this daily time frame on on GBP JPY, right? You see that I just put my support and resistance, then the trend line, right, on this daily time frame. This is daily time frame. So let me go down to 4-hour time frame to see what exactly is happening. So you guys can see that I plotted this trend line on the daily time frame, but you can see how the market is moving on this 4-hour time frame, right? So now what are you guys saying? Is it gonna go back up or is it gonna go down to the downside? I want to get your opinion, or I want to understand what you are saying on these, guys. So yeah, euro JPY right now is back down again to a retrace to the downside, but it is what it is. I'm still holding my trade, guys. I'm still holding my trade. Like I said, if it eventually hit my stop loss, I'm just going to lose about 1.5% of my account. 1.5% of my account is not even up to 2%. So I might eventually risk it to 2%, but not yet, not now, So yeah, this is what I'm saying on the GBP JPY. So right now, what is going to happen is that if the market keep on going to the downside, it will still come back down again to retest to this level, guys. Let me check it out for you. To still come back down to this point before it's going to go back up to the upside again. So this is going to be a move for almost 200 pips. But before this move happen, guys, except this continue to react as a resistance level. If is not able to react as a resistance line, the market will push back up to the upside. So whenever time we see a break out of this and retest, boom, the market is going to continue to go back up to the upside if it's not able to push back down to the downside again. So what you are supposed to do on EuroJPY right now, you are supposed to just wait for the market to break out of this level or out of this trend line in order for you to regard it as a buy move. But right now the market might still push back down to the downside right here. So you should just trade with very good risk management if you are trading. But right now there's no entry point for me on on GBP JPY. No entry point for me personally. Another thing is that it might just come down to this point to give us this head and shoulders pattern before it will go back up to the upside, guys. So you see that to come down here, then it will now push back up to the upside. And remember, this is for our time frame. It's going to take time or days before this move actually happen, right? So all you have to do is you have to be patient enough and wait for it to happen. Also, you can use your Fib retracement to know where exactly the market is going to come down and retest before the trend continues, right? You can see that this is where my 50% level is. So the market can easily come down and retest this level again. You see that? Don't regard it as a breakout. You can see that with Fibonacci retracement, this is where your 50% level is. So it's going to be a fake breakout if it eventually break out of this and did not break out of this 61%. But if it breaks out of this 61%, no need for you to trade it. All you have to do is wait for it to come down to this 79 or this 100% right here before you regard this as a valid move to the upside again. So this is what I'm saying on GBP JPY, guys. Don't enter a trade for now. Don't trade it for now, right? So this is 1 hour time frame. You can see it can easily come down to this point before it will start to go back up to the upside again. So no need for you to buy this right now, guys. Wait for the perfect move to happen before you get in on GBP JPY right now. So yeah, that's what I'm saying on GBP JPY, guys, and that's just it. All right. So is there any question regarding today's analysis, guys? If there is, you can let me know. You can let me know if there's any other question. So yeah, somebody is saying that GBP USD. All right, so GBP USD and GBP JPY, they actually move together. So it is a positive. They are positively correlated pairs, right? They are positively correlated, so you can know how to trade it by mere looking, right? But I don't know if you guys know it, right? So that's just it. So far, but just for confirmation, let me just go and check it for you. If you don't have any question regarding GBP JPY analysis, guys, I only take 1 to 2 trade in a day. 1 to 3 trade, yeah, in a day. So if I take 1 trade, maybe hit my stop loss or whatsoever, I might just look out for another trade again. But if all are moving good, I can take at maximum of 3 trade in a day. 3 trade in a day. So now I said I wait for GBP JPY to come down to this level before you regard it as it's going to go back up to the upside again, right? But right now what I'm saying is it will definitely come down to this point before we now regard it as a buy opportunity for us, right? So somebody is saying GBP USD. Let me check out GBP USD. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this analysis and everything, and this live trade today, right? Oh my goodness, I missed this trade yesterday, man. You can see that I still have my setup right here on GBP USD too. If you check what is happening on GBP USD and GBP JPY right now, you understand that they are moving the same way, right? Which is what we refer as a positively correlated pairs, right? So I missed this move. These days I'm not that free, so I'm kind of busy doing lots of things and stuff like that, guys. So that's why I do miss all of these moves. So this analysis I did it before the move happened. So you see where my Fibonacci retracement is and where my rectangle level is, right? So all I said is, if the market come down to this yellow line right here, then I will buy the market. And I was not available, I was not at home, then I went out. Before I came in, boom, the market pushed back up to the upside. This was during New York session, I guess. Yeah, it was a New York session move, but it is what it is, guys. So no need for you to just be panicking or whatever. So Euro JPY right now is going back down to the downside. We are negative 10 pips in profit, minus 10 pips in profit on Euro JPY. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good. I'm still holding my trade on it. Remember, we are risking around 50 pips, yeah, 50 pips on it. So if the market eventually hit my stop loss, I'm going to lose about 1.5% of my account. So it is what it is. That's just how Forex trading works, guys. If you are trading on your live account, no need for you to be panicking, guys. So yeah, right now this is what I'm seeing on GBP USD as well. Something that is happening on GBP JPY is going to happen on this, right? So wait for the market to come down to this zone before it's going to continue to go back up to the upside again. See that? So your target is going to be this price. It's going to be this price. That's where your target is going to be. Let me put the resistance line right here so that you know where your target is, right? Very, very important, guys. So this is 1 hour time frame, and this is the color for my 1 hour time frame candles. Time frames here. So that will be where your final target is going to be. Guys, don't allow FOMO to get you into the market. So it's going to be around 167 pips. So that's very good. That's very good. So wait for this move to happen. So we still have about 31 pips to go. So we still have about 31 pips to go, guys, before we now trade this as a buy, right? So you see that? That's what I'm saying on GBP USD. You see triple top formation, 1, 2, 3. So anytime this triple top level is broken, that means we can add more position, saying that the market is going to continue to push back up to the upside, right? That's what I'm saying on GBP USD right at the moment. So anytime you see that this level is broken, that means the market is going to continue to push back up to the upside, right? So right now, let's wait for the market to come back down again to touch this zone, to give us this double bottom formation before we trade it as a buy to the upside. All right, guys. So that's what I'm saying on GBP USD as well. So yeah, I'm waiting for this move to happen before I start trading all of this. So it is very, very important, guys. So yeah, like I said, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and our free Telegram channel. That's where all the magic happens, guys. That's where all the magic happens. I share free signals, trade, and everything that I'm in. I do share it in my free Telegram channel. So make sure you check that out and join our free Telegram channel. It's free of charge, guys. We don't charge anything to for you to join that group chat, which is the free Telegram channel. I can show it to you if you request that, right? But other than that, guys, let me send something. Just wait for me. All right. Yeah, guys. So that's just it, and that's what I'm saying on GBP USD as well. So let me check Euro JPY. I know Euro JPY is going down for retracement, huh? All right, so it's back down again to retest to this zone. So it is what it is, guys. Don't panic, man. No panicking, guys. No panicking. I know it sounds weird, right? As I'm saying, no panicking. Israel, what are you saying? No panicking. So yeah, I want to add another position again on Euro JPY. So I want to risk 2% now. So if I add this, it's going to be 2% risk. Yeah. So 2% risk for me on Euro JPY right now, guys. So I now have 2% risk on it. 2% risk on it. So it is what it is, right? See, guys, if you think long term and maybe you are taking around let's say 10%, let's say just 10% every month, and you keep on investing 10% return on investment, or ROI, ROI, that is return on investment, right? That's the ROI. So 10%, even stock market, they don't give you 10% every month. They don't give you 10% every month. You might, if you are fortunate enough, that means stock market might make a move for the whole entire year. It will give you 10% return if you are fortunate enough. Remember that, not that I'm saying that is guaranteed or whatsoever. And I'm not a financial advisor. This one is just my opinion, and trade with a very good risk management, right? You can see it right here. Trade with good risk management. Risk what you what you can afford to lose. Don't ever risk what you can't afford to lose, guys, because that's how the market is. The market is volatile, so that's just it. So it is very, very important. Like I said, I just added one more position on Euro JPY. I just added one more position on Euro JPY right now. So the entry point for that is 130778. 130.778. Let me highlight it for you. 778. So it's around this area. Let me check it out. 778. Yeah, you see that? This yellow line down, that's where my second entry point is for my trade on Euro JPY. So that's it, guys. So right now, let's try and see what exactly Euro JPY has for us in order for us to regard this as a valid move to the upside, right? So let me show you Euro JPY. Okay, this is USD. Euro JPY, yeah, this is Euro JPY chart window. So you can see this is my second entry point right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me put it on full screen there about. Let me just let me, what am I supposed to do? Oh my goodness, I'm confused, bro. Sorry. Yeah, so now I got what to do. Yeah, so you can see this is where my second entry point is on this very account. This is the account that I'm willing to show you now, guys. It is $1,000 account. So this is the only account that I will be showing you guys, that this is how I trade. This is that. And of course, I'm taking a trade on my private account, different account. So let me even execute more trade on it, so that it won't be as if I'm only focusing on this very small account. So let me execute more trades. Just hold on, guys. Trying to execute more trade on my main account right here. Trade here. Trying to trade on this. Very, very important for me, guys. Our chart. Okay, so let me take more trade. Boom, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I don't want to risk much on this account. All right, yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. I took more trade on it again. So it is what it is. And now, what am I supposed to do? Yep. I will just go back down to this $1,000 account right here. Yeah. So yeah, that's just it, man. That's just it. I was just executing more trade again on my different accounts. I have a couple of accounts, guys. So yeah, like I said, this yellow line you are seeing right here is another second entry point for me on Euro JPY. So let's see what the market will have for us. So this candle, 1 hour candle, is going to close in about 1 minute. So let's see what will happen, guys. Let's see what will happen. So it has closed now, and you can see it has given us this doji. And doji in the forex market, it is an indecisive candles. So now what we are supposed to do right now is that we are supposed to wait for which other candle is going to take over the market. Is it going to be a bearish, or is it going to be a bullish market? Yeah, so sorry guys, I had some interruptions. So yeah, like I said that what we are supposed to understand or observe here now that we are having doji in the market, we are supposed to look out for which other market structure, or is it going to be a bearish or is it going to be a bullish, right? You can see the bearish or sellers are trying to take control of the market right now. So it's back down again to my second entry point. Like I said, if this market hit my stop loss, I'm going to lose around 2% on my account, right? So it's just going to be a profit anyway, because last week, that I got about 8%. So let's see what happens. You can see that so bearish or sellers are trying to get control of the market right here, guys. But I'm not closing. I'm still having this this spirit that is going to go back up to the upside. And remember, this is where our stop loss is, so it can still come down and give us this double bottom formation before it will eventually push back up to the upside again. But right now, I'm still holding this trade on euro jpy, guys. We have negative 10 pips in profit, minus 10 pips. So minus 10 pips, that's just it. You can see this is the account, $1,000 account. You can see I'm losing 6.5%, so getting to $7 in negative right now. So it is what it is, guys. If I should just zoom it, you can see if I zoom this account right now, if I zoom it, you will be able to see that down right here. So this was the second entry on this euro jpy trade. This is the second entry. This was the first entry. You can see we are negative 10, and also on USD JPY negative 10 pips as well. So let's just continue to see what exactly is going to happen in the meantime. So far, the market didn't hit my stop loss, right? So that's just me for you guys. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So, but to be honest with you, right now sellers are trying to take control of the market. Sellers are trying to take control of the market. So, but it's still at this trend line. No need for me to close it, right? No need for me to close it, guys. All right, so somebody is saying you don't trade fundamentals. I do trade fundamentals at times, not every day, right? Because I don't trade all fundamentals, every fundamentals. Nah, I don't trade that. Of course, I do check my fundamentals, guys. I do check it very, very well. Do check my fundamentals and stuff like that. So you see that we'll be having news. Okay, euro news in about 30. Okay, this one will not move the market. Consumer, yeah, we are having lots of news on USD today, guys. Oh, wow. Let's see what will happen on euro USD, since we are having lots of news on USD. So let's see what will happen, right? We will see what will happen. That you see, guys. So let me check my FX book. So this is it right now, and yeah, okay, this one is going to be level. Yeah, we are having, okay, FOMC member for 6 picks. Okay, yeah, this is going to be in the evening after New York session open. So let's see what will happen there, guys. All right, so now we are losing our trade of the day, losing on this. So it's all good right now. Sellers are taking control of the market, guys. Remember, this is 5 minutes time frame candle that is doing all of this stuff. You see this 5 minutes time frame candle. So we now have another 5 minutes time frame candle. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is 5 minutes time frame now, and yeah, the market kept on giving us this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, saying that the market is gonna go back down to the downside. But right now, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here before we reduce the risk on our account, right? Before we reduce the risk on our account. So now you can see that I'm losing $80 on this account. So minus 14 pips on euro JPY, minus 14 pips. It is what it is. Remember, our final take profit, final stop loss is 50 pips. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens right on this trade. I'm not panicking, guys. I'm not panicking, to be honest with you. I don't panic. I don't panic. So all you have to do is just, believe in what you do, guys. Believe in what you do and make sure that it's working. I've been trading since 2017. So, all of these moves, I saw them and I kept on seeing them. So they don't move me. They don't move me. All you need in the forex market is a very good risk management, guys. Very good risk management, and you learn how to compound on your account. Compounding is one of the things that we use as well when we are trading in the forex market, right? Very, very important. You can do that, guys. You can do that. So that's just it, man. So yeah, guys, I think we are getting close to the ending point of our today's London session trade. So I'll keep on updating you guys in our free Telegram channel on whatever that is happening on all of this trade, right? So we have our stop loss and everything right there. So it is what it is. Let's just see what exactly is going to happen, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. And of course, Euro JPY right now giving us this low move and stuff like that. Well, I'm still holding it, guys. I'm still holding it. So let's see. All right, guys. So we are just 4 minutes away for us to end today's live stream. So this London session did not move quite the way we wanted, so we'll try and come back live and direct again during New York session, right? During New York session, we'll see what is going to happen. So whatever New York session bring for us, we'll try and see how far it's going to move, right? So you can see that we lost around the 15 pips, yeah, 16 pips on this London session. So it is what it is. And of course, I'm still holding the trade. Not that I'm closing it, but I'm just trying to tell you how many pips we lost during this London session trade, right? So it is what it is, guys. I will see you during New York session time if I still have time to come back live on YouTube, right? So once more again, guys, thank you very much for tuning in to this live stream, which is London session. I appreciate your presence right here, guys. So yeah, if you are yet to join us on our social media platforms, you can do that. The links is down in the live chat section of this video. I pinned it right now. Just follow us on Telegram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, and also join our free Telegram channel, right? So that's just it. That's what I have for you guys today. So make sure you turn on your post notification or click on that bell icon, right? So that whenever time we come back live and direct on YouTube, you will be the first person to be notified and saying, yeah, Israel the Trader is live and direct on YouTube, so that you can come and join us and we trade live here on YouTube, right? So so that's what I have for you guys. Thank you very much for everything, and I'm still Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. Like I said, whatever is going to be happening on Euro JPY, I'll keep on updating you guys and letting you know whatever that is happening on this very, very pair. So yeah, once more again, thank you very much, guys, and I'm signing out. Peace out to you. Trade with very good risk management and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'm signing out. Peace out to you.